Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. I am the mad artist and tragic poet whose pseudonym is Shadow Walker, and it is my privilege and honor to be reading for you today. I went to hell, and you can tell by the smell, but you know they had to banish me for smuggling ice water. Today's reading is The Vibrant Aura of the Sun. The vibrant aura of the sun, it did so harshly stun. He had forgot where he was or why he had begun. As he slogged through the sand, the false specter of hope he could not stand. Everywhere he looked was sage and sand. He felt that there was no end to this rattlesnake land. Hungry and dehydrated, he fell to his knees. Devastated, he screamed, "Is there no providence to hear my pleas?" He could not remember his name, or as the ancestor spirit came, he would crest this next weird ridge on his hands and knees. Yes, he reached the summit, if you please. There, not 100 yards away, was a roadside cafe. He won, is what I say. All day I faced the burning waste without the taste of water. Quote of the Sons of the Pioneers.